I'll wait for a few people to join. I just had like an interview today, so I thought, why not just come live? I think it's been months that I've come live and spoken to all of you. And there are a lot of people joining in. I'll wait for a few more people to join in, and then. Hi Meher, how are you? You're always there in all my lives. Okay, I don't know if I should really turn my camera the other way so that I can see your comments, because I can't see them at all. 1 second. Okay, now I can see you. Hi Anirudh. Anirudh is my college friend. We've done a fashion show together. Hi Romisha, that's my cousin sister. My god, there are a lot of people. Hi Amog. So many of my friends joining in. Why is that obvious, Meher, that you'd always be a part of all my lives? So let's exchange all the pleasantries and then get on to all the way I've been trying to, really help with respect to the COVID thing and make it a little more easier. Hi Romisha, it's nice to see you, Anirudh, as well. Shradhu ma'am, showrunner, is saying. Hi Poonam, how are you? Thank you, Anirudh. Hi Ashik, Anushka. Hi Raj. So many people who I know are there as well, personally. Hi Nadeem, I'm good. How are you? Love you too, Poonam. Hi. Oh my god, there are so many people. So how is everyone doing? Well, I have been having these roller coaster rides when it comes to my mood within this lockdown. It's been exactly 1 month. Hi Amog, nothing. Yeah, so I'm speaking about that, what's happening with me. So yes, since I think 6th of April, the lockdown was announced in Mumbai, and it's almost exactly like a month. Thank you, Tech Hungry Guy and Adib. I will keep replying to your messages also in between. And I don't know if this is happening with all of you, but with me as well, that I feel great for like 3 days. Hi Shifadi. Okay. Sorry, there was a call that came in. Yeah. So I just feel great for like 3 days, and then I feel shitty for like 1 day, and then again I feel great for 3 days. It's just been happening this way. Yes, Anirudh, I really miss cult a lot. And I had this really fun and active routine always. But obviously, the only thing that we can really do if we cannot really go out there and help people is sit at home, which I am doing. But yes, it just does get to my head a lot of times. Thank you for all your compliments in between. It's so difficult to talk and then also reply to all the compliments and all your questions. Thank you, Raj. Okay, so with respect to COVID, now, yeah, calls coming in again and again. So with respect to COVID, I had put up this post and 2 more posts which I had to delete later. So I put up a post wherein I had told you that if you really want to, get a punching bag. Sari, I can't be sitting in a sari right now, yeah, come on. Okay, so I just keep forgetting what I'm talking about. Okay, so I put up a post on Instagram with respect to helping out in these times with whatever little I can in the capacity that I have, wherein I asked you to share your requirements or needs, urgent needs of a hospital or a bed or an oxygen cylinder or medicines or injections. And obviously I'm not somebody who has like this big supply of medicines or anything handy or at home, but there was this friend of mine, Krishna Teja, whose sister works in a hospital, and she could have provided limited quantities for people who really urgently needed it and who cannot afford it, who really cannot afford it. So we did help a few people out, and I'm glad we could do that. I'm really thankful to Krishna Teja for that. But there were a lot of people who were sending fake messages and trying to make a business out of it, and they would say that, okay, we need a bed right now, and then we would find out that they did not even have like a hospital. So I thought, I was like really confused, because I did not want that those limited quantities go to people who are misusing this thing. Apart from that, there were people who, I had posted this thing wherein if you have COVID, supplies, then please let me know. But there were people who were giving me these fake numbers, and I do not want that people get duped out of, buying those oxygen cylinders. So I really started minimizing the posting of, the requirements and all of that. Also, the thing that I noticed was that every time I posted the requirement of something on Twitter, especially, the ones which Krishna Teja, he could not help. On Twitter, there was a quicker response, and many people did get the beds and the things that they needed. So from now onwards, if you really want me to help you, please send your requirements with your details of the number of the person, so that the person can be contacted. I am not going to be calling them, but the one who can provide you with your requirement will contact you. So every time you send me something, please send me the patient details, where they are, and the number of the person to contact, so that we can provide them with that. With what they want. But it doesn't mean that I can't assure that I can provide something to everyone. It's just that all I can do is amplify your request. That's all that I can do. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. So please send your requirements to me with your phone number and the proof of the patient being in a hospital or wherever they are or whatever it is, and I will post it immediately on Twitter, because the stories, there's no help really. But I'll post it on Twitter, and mostly I'm seeing that people are able to call up. If there's something really urgent and I know that I can help you out, I will connect you. I will message you in your DM. I have been messaging people in their DM and getting them connected to the lead that I know is verified. Okay, so that's what I wanted to really, really come here and say. Now, getting to talking to all of you here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please help me do this in the right way. Please. Ranjit said your name. Next, your friend is in urgent need of remdesivir injection. Please send me the details. See, if you all are just going to write to me that I miss coming to nail art as well. So if you're just going to send me, listen, my patient is here and this person needs an injection. I can't really help you like that unless you give me the prescription, the details of the hospital, of everything. Then only can I help you. I just can't randomly do it, because you think that you're sending me one message, but there are like 1,000 messages, and I'm actually going through all of them. I'm glad that I'm making, I'm like not doing the right thing in the lockdown, because I have so much of time as well. But please, be a little considerate and send me exact details with the phone number, please. If you really read, and remdesivir injections will only be provided to people who really don't have the money. Yeah, not people who can really afford it. Also, there was this one message that came to me, which is, I was laughing so much. I literally got an order from, thank you Amit. Also I literally got an order from somebody, madam, I need 50 beds. I was like, I can't provide you 50 beds. Actually, I really can't provide anything. All I can give you is a lead. So that's the thing. And thank you for all your sweet messages and your encouragement. Let's also, if I'm sharing something, even you can share it ahead on your stories, so that that person, you don't know. Sorry, there was a call in between. Yes, so please amplify the messages. Also, like I said, I'm sharing your posts on Twitter, the ones I really feel are genuine. So you can go and check on Twitter. You will see that I have shared it, and the rightful person will contact you. The main thing is that we don't have to all put up everything on the story, but the main thing is that the person should get the help. That is what. All of you just want me to come. I'm talking about COVID and talking about sarees. I can't. So anything that you want to ask me, please let me know. I just feel sometimes that this corona thing is such that you really can't even personally go out there and help someone. Like my mother got corona last month for an entire month, and being her daughter, none of us actually could go around her. So, I used to just keep calling her every few minutes. But thank you, Sumit. I used to keep calling her every few minutes, but I could not go anywhere around her. And I just feel like, it's such a thing that it's amazing that those healthcare workers are actually going there and being physically present and helping them. But whatever we can do from our homes, let's really do that. Okay, so everyone's talking about every other thing. Anyway, I have conveyed what I needed to. Please send your requirements with the number and the prescription and the details. I will post it on Twitter, and I will see to it that I will try my best, not see to it, I can't guarantee that you get a lead. Thank you, Vinay Krati. Thank you. Any questions, anything that you want to ask me, please ask. I will be posting this on my feed as well today. Also, I was thinking about this one thing that it's really confusing, as to actually leave it. I won't talk about it. Anything that you want to ask me, please ask, because I will go in, say, 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Please ask questions if you have any questions. Telugulo aim matlar, I don't know. The problem is, I can speak Telugu, but I don't know how to end the Telugu word. That's my problem. One more thing I forgot was that I'm not doing yoga, I'm just dancing nowadays. Any update about Ek Mini Katha? Well, Ek Mini Katha has been postponed. Even Koti Gopa 3 has been postponed, both the releases, because of the pandemic. Hi, Manya. What was I talking about? Yes. Also, there are a lot of people who are ready to provide food to corona patients. There are people who are ready to provide. There's this organization that I've put a swipe up link of where you can donate, even if it is, say, $50, you can donate and help people out. Those are verified organizations. Also, there are people who will. Thank you, Sumit. Sri Hari, taking your name. Okay, so I'm sharing leads of people who are ready to provide food during these times, because I just realized that people are living alone and who can't even order and afford to order. There are some people providing free food to people who are dealing with this whole corona situation. That and well, Akash, it's commendable that when I'm speaking about all these things, you actually speak about my boobs. That too in a shirt. So anyway, these are the kind of people that I speak about, who take advantage of even such a situation and speak shit and send shit messages. Thank you, Manya. I don't know Kannada. So yes, I'll be sharing leads of people who can provide you with food and these basic necessities, because even that has become so difficult to get. I'm in Mumbai and I just got to know that somebody's asked me how's corona in my city. I'm in Mumbai and I got to know that the cases went down to around 2,000 yesterday, which is good news, from 11,000 something. I've already posted a video on vaccination. Also, you can only donate blood and plasma before you take the vaccination. After that, it's going to be very difficult for people to even get plasma once the vaccination starts. So please go ahead and do that. Yeah, so you can keep seeing my stories for links of food and other necessities, oxygen cylinders. Yes, Mumbai is still under lockdown, and today is almost. It started on 6th April. Today is, I think, 5th or 6th May. I don't even know the date. Almost a month exactly that I've been at home. Hi from Bangladesh. Any more questions, please shoot. Thank you. Yes, I'm staying at home and staying safe. Thank you, Bantu. Ravi Kiran, I really don't know how you can see my cleavage from a shot. It's strange. Okay, 5 questions I will take and then I will leave. Once again, repeating myself, please send your requirements with the numbers and with the details. Only then will I post it on Twitter and I will try to get you a lead. And if you really find someone who cannot pay for those injections, I think around 6 injections of remdesivir are around 22,000. If you really find someone who cannot afford it for sure, then please bring it to my notice. Yes, Kerala is also in lockdown. Many more cities, I think Bhopal as well. Singh Vihari, remember me from Arya too. Thank you. A lot of people remember me from Arya too. I don't have any personal NGO. All I have are my social media accounts that I can use to help. Okay, any questions, please ask. And then I can just say goodbye. Yeah, whichever city you're from, please send me the information. Because on Twitter, I'm seeing that there are a lot of people who are responding quickly. And yeah. Hyderabad, I think I heard is 22,000. Yeah, that's the rate. I think 25 to 30,000 is the rate. Hi Chatterjee uncle, how are you? I'm not going to really talk about anything apart from this. I'll try as much to keep to this conversation COVID related. I did this live especially so that I could tell you that that's the reason why I'm not putting up your requirements on my story, and I'll be putting it up on Twitter. Okay, so I think I will leave. If you have any question, please ask. 2 more minutes and then I will leave. One more thing. Yes, I forget everything. If you need those remdesivir injections, and if you come across someone who really doesn't have the money, not somebody who can afford it, please message Krishna Teja as well if you can. Yeah, because he's the one who's actually going to check whether the case is genuine or not. The movies are all going to release anyway after this whole corona thing that goes. Okay, so thank you so much. Goodbye, and it was great talking to all of you, and I hope that I can help. Goodbye.